Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we can look at how to find the unit digit of very large numbers in seconds. Method 1. Dividing powers using cyclicity. So as to do this method, we have to remember this table correctly. Then if numbers in the units digit are 0, 1, 5, 6, then irrespective of what the powers of numbers are, the units digit in the final answer will be the same number. That is 0, 1, 5, 6 respectively. For example, 10 raised to 28 units digit is equal to 0. 11 raised to 28 units digit is equal to 1. 15 raised to 36 units digit is equal to 5. And 16 raised to 48 units digit is equal to 6. Method 1. Now let us look at method 1, that is dividing power with cyclicity. So as to find the units digit of a large number. Example, case 1. When remainder not equal to 0. Take an example 138 raised to 105. In this example, the unit digit in the question is 8. From the table, we know that cyclicity of 8 is 4. Thus, divide the power, that is 105 by 4. Here, we only need to look at the remainder. While dividing 105 by 4, we get the remainder as 1. Thus, take the units place and raise it with the remainder, that is 1. Thus, units place of 138 raised to 105 is 8 raised to 1, which is equal to 8. Case 2. When remainder equals 0. Take an example 22 raised to 100. Here the cyclicity of 2 is 4. And dividing 100 by 4 we get the remainder to be 0. When the remainder is 0 also there are two cases. When the remainder is 0 and when the units digit in the question is 3, 7, 9, etc. For example, 3 raised to 100, 7 raised to 104, 29 raised to 108. Then whatever it is, the units digit in the answer is equal to 1. B. When the remainder is 0 and when the units digit in the question is 2, 4, 6, 8, for example, 22 raised to 100, 24 raised to 104, 26 raised to 108, 28 raised to 112, then the units digit in the answer will be equal to 6. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.